Alright, so this is our continuation of mirepoix. Make sure you got it over medium heat. You have your mirepoix ready. There's our chicky. Toasting up our garnish. If you have that focaccia ready. Alright, medium heat. As you can see, I'm not blazing. Alright, let that guy heat up a little bit. And then we're going to use a neutral oil. I like either avocado oil or some grapeseed oil. Using class. Let it shimmer. You can shake it back and forth and you see it's shimmering. Add your mirepoix. Remember, it's 2 parts onion, 1 carrot, 1 celery chopped. You can see it's randomly chopped. Add your bouquet garni and then tie it on the handle just to make it a little bit easier to fish out when you're finished. And remember, always discard before serving in the bay leaves. Alright, so stir it, give it a stir, allow it to sweat. Remember, we're building flavors here with low to medium heat. Adding some salt before will help draw out the natural water and juices of the aromatics we have here. There you can see the translucency, semi-transparent the onion is, and that's what we're looking for. No caramelization, just sweating that flavor. Now we're going to add everything else. Our chicky, give it a stir. It's already been pre-cooked and diced. Add our stock, about 3 quarts. All right, lower the heat. Add your Orzo pasta. In this case, I have pastina. And give it a stir up. All right, and then let's bring up the heat a little bit to simmer. Get simmer now. We're done. We're taking out the aromatics. We're not going to use it anymore. So make sure you fish out, especially those bay leaves, that can be very dangerous to consume. And watch your heat. I have Teflon fingers, but use tongs or tweezers if you can. So that's what we're looking for. A nice, hearty, chunky soup. So let's plate this guy up. Personally, I like it on a very cold day. Just big old wide bowl. Center it in there, put a lot of chunks to make a little mountain. Always go for some height. Take that garnish that we did of the toasted fresh focaccia, which is another lesson. Add some grated Romano or Parmesan cheese, and some of that really awesome basil oil for color and aroma. As you can see, it looks delicious, steamy, and good. So there it is. A nice, chunky, hearty soup. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and make it all winter long for you and your family. You could always substitute things for the pasta. If you have gluten issues, you could use quinoa or rice or even brown rice or other grains like farro and gummoos. Okay? Thank you and God bless.